How to set up ChatGPT on your iPhone 17 Air. Open setting, and under setting you can see the Apple Intelligent, and from here you need to go your ChatGPT extension. Press on this option. Now here you can see the ChatGPT account. Use ChatGPT. Enable this option first. Press on setup. Press on next. Enable ChatGPT. Now if you want to more advanced feature, you need to use sign in with your account. Otherwise, if you press the side button, you can see the side button, my ChatGPT automatically open. So how I set up it? For that, open up setting and go to action buttons, and you can see a lot of option, but you need to use controls. Then press on this icon. Then you can see the ChatGPT option. Now if you want to use the voice mode, then press on open ChatGPT. Now voice mode is enabled. Now press the button control panel. Hey, how are you? How are you?
Hey there, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? How's it going?
If video helpful, please don't forget to thumbs up, and please do subscribe for more new update. Thank you.
Absolutely, I appreciate that. I'm always here to